What makes people stupid, and I'm sorry, I'm just going to tell it like it is their certainty that they have all the answers.
Have you ever noticed that stupid people don't think they're stupid, but stupid people also are some of the people that have the most money on planet Earth? So I'm going to tell you in this video, which will be very shocking to you, a psychological hack and the reason why stupid people get rich. So you're probably going to want to share this video with anybody that you care about if you have a brain. If you're smart and you understand what I say in this video, this will most likely be the best, smartest, most valuable video amongst the hundreds of millions of videos on this stupid YouTube platform. This changed my life. The first thing you have to do, the first and most important thing you have to do out of the whole thing is to realize that stupid people think that everybody else is stupid except them. That's number one. Okay? You need to realize that you are as stupid as a monkey. You are as stupid as a monkey. Stay with me in this video. Stay with me in this video. I promise you, if you watch this video, it's a life-changing video. This is a life-changing video. This is exactly what's going on planet Earth. Realize that you, as smart as you think you are as dumb as a monkey. You're as dumb as a monkey. We are on a tennis ball in the middle of a universe with a bunch of idiots that think they know what the hell is going on. They don't. So let's me and you pretend that we are as dumb as a monkey. Let's just pretend, even though I know we are. So what do monkeys know? What do monkeys do? What do monkeys do? Monkeys do exactly what the monkey next to them does. As human beings, we look to our left, we look to our right, and we see exactly what people are doing. And for the most part, we do exactly the same thing. If you move to Europe right now, where everybody has an accent, over time you will develop an accent. Over time, you will most likely start behaving exactly like them. You go to Italy, you're gonna start taking naps. After a few years, you're gonna drink espresso. You might settle for a lower salary. You're gonna live life slower. Life is great. It's all about espressos and friends and eating bread and pasta. You are going to become them. This is not an accident. I'm literally trying to save your life for people that can understand what the hell I'm talking about. It's not an accident that you are born in a certain country. Like I was born in the country of Serbia and I speak Serbian. I speak a different language. It's a bunch of noises that come out of my face and people over there understand what I'm saying. It's not an accident. It's monkey see, monkey do. It's not an accident that people in my country are Christian Orthodox. It's not an accident that people in different countries are Muslim. It's not an accident. There's outliers and everybody would love to stay and feel like they have this amazing choice. But I will just say this, you are strongly influenced beyond belief by your surroundings. Your surroundings, I promise you, are stronger than your parents and even stronger than your genetics. So we become exactly just like monkeys. This guy is scratching his ass. This monkey is scratching his ass. I'm gonna scratch my ass and eat a banana. So now that we know how stupid we are, because we are, I'm one of them. Don't be offended. I'm one of them. But realizing how stupid I am changed my entire life, because the brain that we have in our head, the sponge that we have in our head, the big sponge we have in our head, the brain does not care what we put inside. It watches the monkey next to you and copies it. Monkey see, monkey do, okay? So now that we know how stupid we are, this is the ultimate life hack. You get to choose today, you can, which dumb monkey you put next to you. Because this monkey is successful in some way because he was around different monkeys. He came from a different situation. What that situation is, I have no idea. But he came from somewhere different, a different surrounding, and he was around different stupid monkeys. But at this point in time, he has accomplished something that you want to accomplish. He can be the greatest piano player on earth. He can be the greatest weightlifter. He can be the greatest businessman. He can be the greatest consultant for marriages. I don't know. But you want to get next to this monkey because you know you're dumb and you're just gonna do monkey see, monkey do. And today, you have the option to do that on the internet. Back in the day, you can't. No airplanes, you don't have money. What am I gonna do? Switch cities? I'm gonna move? I'm gonna leave my house? No, today you can choose that. So now that we know that we have a choice of what we can become, now we are going to surround ourselves with people, with information that is absolutely nothing other than our goal. Nothing other than our goal. I don't care if this guy is a horrible husband, a horrible father, if he has a fat stomach, I don't care because I want to become him and he is the greatest piano player on earth. He's the greatest sculptor. He's the best bodybuilder, the best developer, the best whatever. Now that you start listening to other monkeys who became what they became because of being around other monkeys and other information, now you are slowly going to become them. You are slowly going to start becoming like them. But, I know you want the Rolls Royce and I know you're probably thinking about cash right away. Let me get the cash, let me get whatever, right? You want the Rolls Royce, you want the money before you even tried anything. That's what most people do. They want everything before they even tried anything. That's how fast they want it. This is going to start changing your mentality. Keep watching this video. The end is the reason, and I'm gonna tell you the last part of it right now, is the reason why most people have nothing. The absolute reason most people have nothing. Why does that happen? That happens because a lot of people will watch this, things that interest them, and then this is where they screw up absolutely everything. This you can't get wrong, okay? This will destroy your life, and this is the reason why people don't have anything. We are going to look at somebody like me. I have a peanut butter company. It's a Shark Tank business, and you decide, oh, this is super cool. I like Shark Tank. I want to start a peanut butter company or a product. I want to sell a product like the bald guy in Sharks University. So today you watch me and here's a product. Here's the product. Tomorrow, you have another idiot pop up. I do real estate. Real estate, guys. Crowdfunding. Crowdfunding.
Hey guys, you can't afford a mansion?
You can invest $1,000 with 1,000 other people and you can be the owner of a mansion, and then we'll all make a profit, we'll all split the money, and you'll make a ton of money being an investor that you can't be today. You're actually gonna lose your money. Real estate crowdfunding is the worst possible business on earth. You're gonna get scammed. It's a scam. Different video, but you want to be in real estate now. What a great new video. I'm fired up to do real estate. Let's do real estate, right? Then you're gonna see World War III is coming. Tariffs, China. Oh, let's do Bitcoin. This week, let's be Bitcoin masters of disaster. That's what we're gonna do this week. Next week, we're gonna do YouTube. I'm going to be Mr. Beast. I'm gonna do YouTube. The shiny new toy syndrome. I am one of these people. I am one of these people. If my life was long enough, I like everything. I like everything, I promise you. Can't do everything. Let's not forget. Let's not forget TikTok. Oh, let's make $46 million a day by selling t-shirts on TikTok when me and my mom are gonna dance. We're gonna act ghetto and we're fat and white. It's gonna go viral. Let's sell these t-shirts. This is the killer of all dreams. You will not do any of it. You will not succeed in any of it. What you have to do is pick one. Pick one thing that you like. You have to like it. You're not gonna like all of anything. You're an actor, you like to act, great. You're gonna hate the business, you're gonna hate Hollywood, you're gonna hate your manager, you're gonna hate the salary sometime, you're gonna hate the sweating, being hot in the sun on set. You're gonna hate a part of everything. Pick one thing that you like, because you need that. You will burn out, you will never make it unless you are okay with doing something for free. So, if you want to make a product and be as awesome as I am with my peanut butter company, make a product, and now, for the rest of your life, you are going to market and sell it. There's content, there's marketing, there's building a brand, there's everything. But this is your business. It's a marathon, I'm so sorry to tell you. Making money fast means making money while you are alive. And all of this is easy. What does easy mean? Easy means that you can do it. That's my definition of easy. If you can do it, it's easy. Pick one thing. Real estate? I'm a real estate agent. I'm gonna go to Florida and sell mansions. Oh, after 6 months, there's no mansions. Let's do a YouTube. Let's make 3 videos on YouTube and see if I can get rich. There is a reason most people don't have money. It's not an accident. It's not an accident. 1% doesn't exist on accident. 10% doesn't exist on accident. It doesn't exist on accident. Most people are miserable. You have welfare. You have people paycheck to paycheck. It's not an accident. How did it happen? It happened because I looked at the monkey to the left, I looked at the monkey to the right, and I did what they're doing. This guy dropped out of high school, went to work at the gas station. I'm gonna do that too, but I'm gonna go paint. Same thing. Nothing happens on accident. Most people try. They call that trying. You can do any one of these things. I will tell you this. I promise you on my life, and I hope to God, I pray to God that He gave you the brain to understand what I'm saying in this video. You can do anything, but you have to pick one thing, and you can do anything. You are going to do all of these things until you succeed. There's no reason why you should ever fail. No reason. Real estate, are there successful people in real estate? Yes. Real estate, product, YouTube, okay, consulting, okay, you can get rich in all of these, right? Only an idiot would tell you you can't do any of these things. Why? Why will only an idiot, like you will never hear me ever tell you that you can't do anything if I've seen it before. So, here's a palm tree. I see a palm tree. I turn around and I hear somebody say, I want to make a palm tree. And I say, no, you can't. I've seen them. They're everywhere. Real estate billionaires, millionaires, super successful, whatever category is your head screwed up from YouTube, they're everywhere. Successful real estate people are everywhere. There's successful YouTubers everywhere. There's billions, millions, I don't know, hundreds of thousands of successful products all over the internet, all over the stores. That means you can do all of them. Millions, whatever the number is, consulting, successful consulting people. Pay me, I can teach you how to record weddings, or I can record a wedding for you, whatever. It exists. If you told me I want to be an angel, with wings and I want to fly, I'm gonna be like, I don't think you can do that. I've never seen an angel flying around. That we can discuss. I was saying anything, money-wise, it can be done. But I told you exactly how to do it. Realize that you're stupid, because you are. I'm sorry for your ego. You are stupid and I'm stupid. But at least you now, if you have a brain, admit it and understand it like I do and use it to my advantage. I'm going to do exactly what the other stupid person next to me is doing, so I'm gonna put somebody that has accomplished something that I want to accomplish. They just accomplished that, they're still stupid. They just accomplished something that I want. And I can pick exactly how and what I want to get by putting myself around those specific people that did specific things, because they can use me for something. So I'm going to get everything that I want by putting myself into these positions in life, which is basically learning that information and only listening to people on those topics and not idiots that talk about politics, because anything is better than politics. So I'm going to listen only to those things of my interest, and then I'm going to pick one thing and I'm going to be successful in it because it's easy. Because it's easy. Many thousands, hundreds of thousands of people have done it. All right? See you guys in the next video. Check out my other videos, whatever, like, subscribe, or don't. I hope you got this video. Don't give a shit what you do. If you subscribe or don't. I hope you understood this. Share it with somebody that might be lost in life, that might look for a way out, that might not be where they want to be today. Maybe one sentence in this video is going to change their life, right? See you guys in the next video.